Good day everyone, this is Group 6 and we are here to tackle about high knees carioca exercise. So what is high knees and carioca exercise? So high knees carioca exercise is a dynamic movement that combines two exercise which is high knees and carioca. High knees involving running in place while lifting the knees and as possible as toward the chest. Example, so, Karyoka is a stepping movement that where the legs cross alternately in the front of it and behind the body while moving the sideways. Together, these movements improves agility and power, lower body strength. So, Karyoka, highness and Karyoka, if we combine it together, it's look like this.
Here's the benefits of high-knees carioca exercise. Improves coordination and balance. This exercise, which involves the agility, the balance, and the footwork, increases heart rate, enhancing cardiovascular endurance. Increases heart rate, enhancing, magpa-enhance imong hangin, pataas imong hangin, ng cardiovascular endurance. Strengthens the legs, hips, and core muscles. Boosts agility and footwork, which is helpful in sports. Boost, which means is kanang paaptik sa imong lihok, sa imong tiil, para makatabang sa mga sa sports. Helps improve body rhythm and flexibility. Flexibility, which means flexible, kanang improve sa imong body, kanang improve sa imong lihok-lihok, imong rhythm. That's all the benefits of high-knees carioca exercise.
Different types or variations. So there are four different types or variations. The first one is the basic carioca, which is the regular side step with crossover movement. The second is the high knees carioca. Adds high knee left while doing the carioca step. The third, fast carioca drill. Increase speed for cardio training. And the last one is the carioca with arm movement. Combines arm swing for full body coordination. And those are the four different types or variations.
So what are the functions of high knees carioca exercise? So the first one is commonly used as warm up in exercise, sports, or PE class. So it helps your body in a warm up in times of sports or another or PE class. And second, it helps improve foot speed and helps mobility. So nag-aim po niya siya sa paspaso nimo and mobility and enhance agility needed for running and dancing and athletic activities. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you.